Hello, I would like to demonstrate the Tune SQL module in DBAS Ace Enterprise SQL Server. If you got a SQL statement, you want to tune the SQL statement, you can press the New button into Tune SQL module. After you open this new Tune SQL section, you can place the SQL here. You can turn the SQL by rewrite or hints injection. Rewrite and hints. Rewrite only or hints only. So I kept the rewrite and hints. So it use rewrite and hints injection to tune this SQL statement. We also got the SQL tuning level. The SQL tuning level is used to define the rewrite and hints quota. Rewrite only or hints only. Tuning quota for a SQL statement. So a high level means more time will be used to investigate the SQL statement, and the output of the SQL alternatives will be more than that of the lower level of the SQL tuning level. Now I keep the default levels level 2. And then I press the tune button here. It is the tuning goal option. It is default test run option here and the default setting is run original SQL 2 times and all others alternatives once. Which means that we will going to eliminate the buffer catching time of the SQL statement. So it's a fair comparison between all alternatives. With the original SQL statement, I keep the default options, press OK. And then here is the bind variable. If your SQL got a bind variable like eta, you have to input and keep this bind variable. Don't replace this bind variable with the literals. Because if you change bind variables to the literals, the execution plan may be different, so the tuning result may not be correct. So I keep the bind variable here. Okay, I input the bind value. SQL tuning process is started here. So you can see that the original SQL statement has been rewritten like this. And each rewritten SQL statement will be applied hints to. So, more possible alternatives and unit execution plan can be discovered. Okay, the benchmark process is started. The original SQL statement has been tested 2 times. It is the speed of the original SQL statement. It's about 3 seconds here. The tuning process and benchmark is still running. You can see that a better alternative SQL is found. Here the rewrite one with hints 12. The SQL statement now is the best so far. So we still have to wait for the entire process finished. Alright, the benchmark is going to be finished now. Let's see. We got the best SQL alternative here is rewrite 1 H12. Rewrite 1 we have and hints 12 we have. The rewrite 1 has a dummy function here. And hints injection here. So let's click the compare function to see. We JAT are the difference between the original SQL statement And the rewrite 1 hour 12. The original SQL statement is here. And then the rewrite SQL statement with highlight. Here is the rewritten. Dummy function is added to influence the SQL optimizer's decision. And here is the hints injection. So the SQL statement has been improved almost 3 times. Okay, this is the demonstration of Tune SQL module. We also have demonstrations for other important features in Tune SQL module. Thanks for watching our demonstration. Thanks.